Get it right.
Let's welcome to the kitchen, people. Right, let's get the camera turned round.
Well, what you wearing? What you wearing, Facts? What you wearing?
Beautiful jumper.
What time you wearing, Facts?
Very nice.
Right. Man, that jumper.
So this, this is just some, just bits and bobs.
Right,
we got some Asda steak gravy things. We got some cheese. We got some mushrooms, a little onion, some bread, some milk, some bacon, some cheese.
What's the bread doing in the fridge?
Because I'm out and about kind of guy. I don't know when I'm going to be home next.
Where do you prepare your
fried
food?
Chicken. We got the lamb. We got the beef burgers. We got homemade beef burgers. We got some prawns. That is a bit of a shabby turnout. I'm not going to lie. I'll take an L on that.
Where do you prepare your food?
Well, when Amanda's, I don't know
where do you prepare your food?
Santa, I'm hungry. Can you come and feed me?
Yeah, feed me. No. I mean, yes. I can't. How can I lie? I can't lie. No, I can cook, but like Amanda laughs. She's like,
okay, but see all that stuff see all that stuff that was on your counters. Is that from where you've been cooking and not put stuff away?
No, that's why we
probably
just you had the crack, and then now you just.
Bro, why don't you just clean up?
That
would take you 2 minutes.
Can't I just live my life?
That freezer.
If you want to be a square, I'll tell you what, MJ. I'll buy you a toothbrush for Christmas so you can clean up your whole house with it.
Thank you, Facts.
All right. Well, I appreciate. No. Sorry, I'll take that back. You've been kind to me.
Cleaning the house. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate that.
No, I'll take that back. You've always been kind to me. That was out of order. I shouldn't have said it.
Well,
I shouldn't have said it.
Well, tough shit.
MJ, you know I'm trying. MJ, come on. Everyone on this not everyone, but a lot of people on this panel know how I was living in Dover. Now I've got a nice flat to live in.
Yeah, then you should take care of it. You should take pride in your
right.
Take pride in your home.
Yeah, but I've had these motherfuckers sweating me.
You're the man of the house. Like, come on.
Look,
MJ, can you have a house? You're so lucky.
All right, MJ, can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
imagine you got a text.
Private gardens, private beach, and all that.
I have all that, and we can. I'll show you that another day.
You
MJ, can I ask you a question? Imagine you got a text message that said you need to be in court in 3 days' time. Right, and you don't know what for. They give you a reference number. You got half an idea what it's for, but you don't know whether you're going jail or coming home. Right. So what do you do? Do you phone your people? Do you give your keys to someone you trust?
Are you gonna go on the road?
Take all the rubbish out your house so it doesn't smell?
Oh, Lord. Okay, big up, family.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, bring it back to me. Well, Facts, what I would say is if they've written to you, clearly it's not anything serious enough for them to want to keep you in custody. So I'd say you don't really have much to worry about.